What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back to my trading channel again. Today I'm so excited to teach you guys another spike catching strategy that will help you not miss any spike that you want to catch. So we're going to go through the whole process of how you can set up the strategy, and also we're going to talk about how you're actually going to identify entry points and exit points. All of that is going to be packed in this video, both the settings and the conditions that have to be met for you to be able to catch that spike. So this is a very interesting strategy because I believe spike catching is quite interesting to do. As you know, it is filled with a lot of adrenaline rush, a lot of emotion, but I want you to trade so comfortably these spikes with this strategy. Of course, we've tried and tested it. I think you can actually see some of the analysis that we have on our screen, which basically shows that each and every strategy that we post here would have been tried and tested. So you guys can safely also try it to remove any doubt, because remember, when you're trading, you need to be focused, you need to have confidence in what you are doing. So this is how the strategy looks like. By the end of this video, you should have something like this on your chart as well, so that you can do spike catching as well. I just wanted to quickly show you guys some of my results from our account management program, which we're currently running. If you guys are interested in that, it's basically a program where we trade your capital on your behalf, and then we share the profits only that we would have made. So here we started off with $100, and we managed to make a profit of $235.14. Managed to withdraw some of it actually, and here are some of the trades that we took whilst in that program. So if you're also interested in it, you can contact me from our WhatsApp number. I'll leave the link in the description box below to our Telegram channel, where you'll be able to find our number. Okay, with that said, I want us to jump into how to install this strategy. Then we can do maybe some live trading sessions together and see where could you have entered in the market if you wanted to catch these spikes. So as usual, I'll remove all the indicators that I have on my screen, and we will have the step-by-step process of installing this strategy, because we might have people that are not familiar with how we install indicators and all that. So here we go. First indicator that I want to install is the Stochastic Oscillator, which is right here, and it is going to have the following properties that you see on my screen. We have a percentage K period of 50, we have a percentage D period of 1, slowing 1, price field clause over clause. The method is exponential. We've got levels. We've got our sell region, which is level 80, and then our buy region, which is level 20. So we've got 20 and 80 for the levels. And then going back, we have our styling like this. The main color is, or the main line is the green color, and then the signal line has got the red color, as you can see. I may try and write this down somewhere, or try and pause the video and follow with us. And if you click done, we should have our stochastic oscillator showing on our indicator in the 1 at the bottom of our charts like this, which is good, which means now we can move on to the next indicator that we need, which is a moving average. So going back to indicators, we're going to click where it says indicator window 1, and we're going to look for the moving average, which is right here. And this moving average is going to have the following properties. They're going to have a period of 8, a shift of 0. The method is exponential, apply to close, and then the color I chose blue. Your time frame, of course, you can choose it to be in all time frames, and then your levels, we don't have any of that. So this will be the final properties of our moving average. And if you click done, you should have that blue line popping up on our charts. Now we're getting into the most interesting part of this video, which is the spike catching. How is it done? But before we take a look into that, please make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. We're almost reaching 40,000 subscribers, and I want to do a massive giveaway at 40,000 subscribers. I want to give out money. We want to give out money to people. We want to fund people's accounts. So let's get to that 40,000 subscribers mark, and we have that big giveaway as we always do. Okay, so actually we're actually running a promotion at the moment that you can join right now. If you subscribe, like this video, and comment in the comment section, you can show me proof of all that on my WhatsApp number, and I'll add you to our VIP signals group where I post signals daily. Some of these trades I posted them in that group. So right now, if you want to join a promotion for right now, besides the 40,000 one, right now, if you subscribe, like this video, and comment in the comment section what you learned throughout this video, you will get your 30 days of free signals daily right now. My number, like I said, will be in our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box below. Just click that link. It will take you straight to our Telegram channel. It's also free to join. It's a community of traders. We post tools and materials that are going to help you grow in your trading journey. So if you want to check out that, you can do it right after this video, and you will be signed up just like that. Okay, so let's get into how do you catch spikes with this strategy. How do you catch spikes with this strategy? It's quite simple. Some of you might have already noticed because we have our stochastics telling us when to sell and when to buy, of course. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to be going to your 1 minute time frame. Okay, and then you're going to be using the third zoom level. Okay, and once you have established that, all you have to do now is to look at the charts and see how do you, and wait for the conditions that I'm about to tell you. Number one, you want to have your blue line and your stochastic oscillator is crossing whilst above or whilst in this sell region. The moment it crosses, you're going to sell, right? Now you find out that it may cross like this. This is mainly due to this spike. So this sharp cross, you find it mainly due to the spike. Enter. Don't worry about it. Don't think you have missed the first spike. Enter right where the spike ends. Another one will follow. The market will just retrace for a little bit, but it will follow and you go down with it. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Wait for your blue and green line to cross each other. They usually cross each other after a spike has occurred on your main chart. So just look out for that. Every time a spike occurs, look out. Do we have a cross whilst we are above level 8? And the moment you see that cross, you're going to enter, which means you're going to enter at this point. Your entry is going to be here. Can you see that the spike went all the way down? You would never miss a spike with this one. Okay, you will never miss it as long as you follow the correct properties, as long as you follow the correct settings. First spike is going to cause this first spike that you see on my screen. This one is going to cause a sharp turn and a crossing of the blue and the green line there, and then you can catch the next spike. I'm going to try and do a live trading session with those that are in our VIP signals group where we actually catch these spikes using this strategy. So if you want to be part of that, please make sure you have subscribed, you've liked, you've commented in the comment section, and you'll be part of that live trading session. Let's take a look at boom and see how do you maneuver when you want to use boom. Like I said, conditions are still the same. You're going to wait for a cross of the blue and green line. This time around, it has to be below level 20. And I said it's usually caused by a spike, and that was the spike that caused it. And I said once the spike has spiked. Wait, enter into a sell at that moment. It's gonna pay off. And you can see your spike then came. Your entry was your drawdown is very little, which means you can actually use high lot sizes, but it's make sure that you understand your risk, make sure you know what you're risking before you do all that. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, here, cross. This was mainly due to this spike, the first spike, right? And I said immediately after, which is here, actually our price closed at this point. So we're actually going to enter there. And immediately after the spike, we had another spike. So try to be looking out at the charts. You might not get the time to find a retracement. Look at this one. Cross. This was because of this spike. Okay. Immediately after, our price closed there. Immediately after that minute, we had another one. Immediately after, we had another one. Right? Guys, this strategy is so powerful. Here, we had an opportunity now with our spike, which means we're going to enter at this point. Right? That was going to our entry, and then the spike actually came and crossed above our entry point. And then we also had more spikes coming. So if that was little profit for you, you could still have benefited from all those spikes if you just waited for about 2 minutes. Okay, so I want you guys to practice this strategy first on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, so that you can understand this strategy well before jumping into risking your hard-earned money. Until next time.